inherited base classes, it's sometimes necessary to access member data and functions from the base class. Let's take a look at how to do this. Make a working copy of simpleinheritance.cpp, and I'm going to paste that in our working project. Just maximize this and scroll through it real briefly for those of you who are typing along at home. So this is our simple inheritance example, and it has this base animal class that gets inherited by these derived classes, dog, cat, and pig. And we initialize a dog, a cat, and a pig down here, and we print out some data from them. And that looks like that when we compile and run it. Now let's say, for example, that we wanted to add a method to the pig to speak its name in Pig Latin. So we come down here, and we can say, like that, and then we can write the method itself. And that will take the name of the animal, and it will append -ay to the end of it, which we all know makes anything into Pig Latin. Of course, there are lots of other fun rules for constructing Pig Latin. For our purposes, it'll do to just add -ay at the end of the word. And we can call it like this. And so I'll just compile and run it, and you'll see that it works, and it says Arnold A. So in this Pig Latin method, you'll notice that I accessed the name method from the base class, which is animal. In order to do this, I use the name of the base class, animal, followed by 2 colons, and followed by the name of the method that I'm accessing. This specifies that the method is in the base class. So this syntax isn't strictly necessary here because there's no conflicting name in the derived class, but it's worth noting, and it's actually worth doing it this way because it can be necessary under other circumstances. And we'll see some examples of that later in this chapter. Now let's delete our working file and run clean to get set.